Hi, world changers, history makers, pesetas. It's Keroy here. How are you doing? I hope everything is good. I have some good news for you. One, we have a coaching and mentorship group. So if you're feeling unstuck, you need help with change with your mindset, well, this is the group for you. Leave me a comment below and I'll send you more information. Anyways, we have the topic for today is you have to become the person to handle the goals you're planning to accomplish. So in this season of goal attainment and planning, you need a different perspective. I know many of you have set goals and failed to accomplish them again and again and again. The question is why? Because in order to attain a certain goal or your dream, you have to become that person. You have to embody that person. Mind, body, and spirit. Your mind has to change. If you've been in a failure mindset, hanging out with negative people, low achievers, there is no way your goal will be attained. So you have to change that. Hang out with people who have done what you want to do. Learn from them. Success has a rhythm and a rhyme and a tone to it. It always leaves clues. I'll give you an example. When I was in Uganda for the holidays, I hung out with one of my best friends and he started a new hangout joint, right? So while I was there, I observed the level of concentration and the man he has become in the process of opening this new place, and I was amazed. Wonderful, focused, knows exactly what he wants and how to do it. No compromise in every way. So your goal, your dream is going to demand everything you've got. It will demand resources. It will demand you to invest in yourself, time, resources, and all other kinds of things. It will demand that if you really want to attain the goal. So this is not a path of someone casual. If you want the same old story, that's up to you. But if you want the change, your mind has to change. The people you're surrounding with have to change. The negativity has to go and replace it with positivity. You need mentorship. Yes, coaching. You need all that because we've all taken the journey. When we were once low achievers and now we are high achievers. Well, that's the nugget for you. As always, this is Keroy, aka Mother Ego. Go attain some goals and see you in the WhatsApp group. Leave a comment below and I'll send you the information. Bye. Much love.